This is the Iron Bull FHG hydraulic dovetail trailer. This is on dual tandem 10K axles. Has a 32-foot version. It has 23 flat and 9 foot of hydraulic dovetail. On this one, it's got the option for the cleats on the dovetail. Stirrup step midway. Toolbox handles your battery and pump. This is going to be your lowest possible deck height. You can see your I-beam at the top, even with the deck, and your 1/8" tread plate over the tires to give you the lowest deck height you can get. It's going to have frame bridging and torque tube standard on these. Makes for a real stiff trailer. Got your step at the front also. Toolbox. This is an Iron Bull. One of the great things about Iron Bull, they're a top tier trailer manufacturer. Got your ironclad warranty. It's 2 years of tip to tail warranty. And then you've got your 2 years roadside assistance, primer and powder coated. Still going to have your 5-year axle warranty on top of that. Now here, to show the benefit of a hydraulic dovetail, we carry in this line of trailers, we can get it in Maxed, PJ, and Iron Bull. The hydraulic dovetail we stock in Iron Bull because they have the best trailer for the price in that series. You got the same deck height, so they're both sitting on 12-inch I-beam. Now the benefit of the hydraulic dovetail is going to be ground clearance. You got about 13.5 inches on this monster ramp style trailer, and you're going to have 16.5 inches to the bumper on the Iron Bull, but then 32 to the actual tail, and that bumper's on springs. I'll show you that. So this hydraulic dovetail is able to carry a load, so you actually can have a machine on it and lift up the machine while it's still on the dovetail, and it will carry it. And you can see here the large dual cylinders on this hydraulic dovetail and the cam mechanism. Now I'll raise this up so you can see the cam mechanism. So what happens is you'll see it's going to go past level and then it will cam over and lock. At that point, you can go down the road and you are safely locked in. You don't have to worry about the cylinders leaking down. And it actually requires force by the cylinders to unlock the cam. So if it goes up and then down, hear that pop. Now your dovetail is locked in. So in these, you're not losing the dovetail. The dovetail is able to carry a load, and then you can see that difference in the height on this. So you got two advantages to a hydraulic dovetail trailer. One is going to be that height. Again, that light bar bumper there is just on a spring so that it will spring down so you can see your lights, but they will ride up and out of the way if you have to go over some terrain. And then you've got a total of 32 inches up to the tail, so you can, if you're in areas where your trailers are prone to drag, it's great. And if you don't want to have to handle the mega ramps to flip them over. I don't want to leave without discussing a third major benefit of these hydraulic dovetails. I mean, there's a lot more advantages than what I'm listing, but a third major advantage is comparing it to a monster ramp or rampage ramp style trailer. So with the monster and rampage ramps, you get the fold over benefits of full width and its deck space. With your fold over ramps, you also have the bar where they can pin up if you're loading machinery. But what happens if your machinery hangs over the rear just a little bit? Well, you can't get the ramps to fold up and pin up. Let's say you have a mower or a piece of equipment like that with the hydraulic dovetail. It's actually going to be able to pick up the mower and whatever overhangs, and the overhang is not going to be a problem for your ramps because it's just clear. So most states allow up to 4 feet of overhang if you have it flagged, as long as your maximum length is not over 65 foot, which will not be an issue for any trailers even up to 40 feet. So that's another benefit of the hydraulic dovetail. So we have a 28 foot right here in stock right now and a 32. Normally try to keep them up to 40 feet in stock. Check us out at chipperllcsales.com, and thanks for watching.